It is Monday morning. I thought I would do a little what I eat in a week this week, as I haven't done one of these in the longest time. So I'm just about to head off to work, so just a simple breakfast this morning of a coffee and some Uncle Toby's cereal, which is delicious. And I will see you at lunchtime. So I'm sat in this little bus sheltery thing. You would have seen that I had a boost earlier. I actually got this on my break at work. I got Mango Magic and yeah, it was great. Drank it whilst I was at work and then drank it on my break. I have now finished work and Tim has come to meet me with actual lunch now, even though it's just gone 2 o'clock. But I made some curried egg rolls yesterday, so I've got one of those and a few strawberries, I think. So it is actually very much later and slight change of plans for dinner tonight. We're actually having, I think what we were going to have for dinner on Thursday, but tonight on Monday, we're having some leftover Thai sweet potato curry with a couple of spring roll, money bag type things on the side, just as time was getting on a bit. I think because I had lunch quite late, I was still quite full from that. And we're going to have what we were going to have tonight on Wednesday, so you'll have to stay tuned to find out what the original plan was. So we've had our dinner. I appreciate it didn't look the most attractive. The sweet potato, after it was frozen and defrosted, definitely didn't hold its shape, but the flavour was outstanding. It was like a red Thai paste and coconut milk and peanut butter, like in the original recipe. I just had it with those spring rolls and money bag things. It was very spicy, definitely has got spicier than when I first made it, but yeah, a really delicious dinner. Gonna have a little dessert. I'm not sure what, maybe a little bit of Cadbury's chocolate. We've got a Black Forest one open at the moment, so I might have a couple of pieces of that. But otherwise, that's it for food today, and I will see you again at breakfast tomorrow. It's Tuesday morning. It's actually quite late. It's 9:15. Didn't get up till 7:30, and then I'm halfway through getting ready, but I am absolutely starving. So I have just got that same cereal for breakfast again today. It's nearly finished actually, so hopefully by the end of the week I can buy a new cereal or maybe have some porridge or something some of the other days. And I've also got a coffee, classic. Oh, and I've also got a little cup of, I think it's raspberry and apple squash or something. So yeah, pretty standard breakfast, but I'm going to enjoy it. So I've had lunch actually a couple of hours ago. I had another curried egg roll, the same as I had yesterday. Just having a little snack now. I have got a orange daily juice without the pulp because I really hate pulp in orange juice, and I've also got an ice cream which Tim is currently actually holding for me. I've gone for the Golden Gay Time Oak. Never tried this flavour before. Have tried the birthday cake ones, which we actually still have 2 in the freezer at home. Definitely 10 out of 10. But yeah, gonna try the oak ones. Verdict. Delicious. Got a biscuity, chocolatey crumb on the outside, and then the inside's chocolate ice cream, just like the oak chocolate milkshake. So I'm gonna enjoy this before it melts too much in the sun. Final verdict on the ice cream. It was absolutely delicious. Definitely looking forward to the other one I've got to have another day. I'm just gonna have my juice now. You will see they've got pizza for dinner. Definitely going to be leftovers for lunch tomorrow, which was the plan anyway. One is ham, mushroom and onion, and the other is a spicy salami, chili and tomato. So yeah, haven't had pizza at home for ages, and I'm definitely going to enjoy this. So it is now Wednesday morning. The pizza I had last night was absolutely delicious. I think my favourite was the salami, chili and tomato one. It definitely had a really good kick to it. And I've actually got a piece of each left over for my lunch today because I'm at uni pretty much all day today, so that'll be nice and easy and also tasty. It's currently breakfast time. I'm just having a bowl of porridge today. I've got some Uncle Toby's Oats strawberry porridge, and I've also got my usual coffee. So I'm going to enjoy this, head off to uni, and then see you for lunchtime. Thought I'd have, yeah, switch it up a bit today for breakfast. I've had cereal the last couple of days, realised I had a few of these porridge sachets left, and yeah, just thought with like the earlier start today. So class at 8, a nice bowl of warm porridge would set me up for the day. So it's been a very long time since I vlogged since this morning. Obviously had my breakfast, went to uni for lunch. I think I mentioned was leftover pizza, which I swear is always better. Microwave the next day. I had a free coffee. Apparently every Wednesday between 10:30 and 11 the coffee place at uni does free coffees, so enjoyed a nice free latte. And I also had a wagon wheel, but I forgot to film that, from the brasserie at uni. And now I'm home and it's tuna and jacket potatoes for dinner, which I haven't had for a little while actually, so I'm very excited. So I've got my jacket potato, I've got tuna, mayonnaise and a little bit of red onion, and a little bit of cheese, but it's like under the tuna so it melts from the heat of the potato. And I've also got a little glass of multivitamin juice to have with it. It is Thursday morning and day 4 of this what I eat in a week. It is currently coming up to breakfast time. I've actually opted to have an iced coffee this morning as opposed to a hot coffee. Normally start the day off with a hot coffee, but thought I'd have something a little bit different. And then just waiting for Tim to get back from his run so we can do breakfast. We've got some strawberries and some blueberries to use, so I don't know whether I'm going to do that like with porridge or maybe pancakes. Probably just see what time it is when he gets back, but either way I've got a bit more time this morning, so can have something a little bit more interesting for my breakfast. Oh, also I forgot to say the jacket potato last night was delicious. Tim makes the best tuna mayo. He used the mayo from Aldi, which like in our opinion is the best mayonnaise. It's really creamy, the onion had a nice crunch. Did actually buy 2 potatoes to have, but when I actually looked at the size of them and thought no, 1 potato is definitely going to be enough, and yeah, we were right. Yeah, we were so full afterwards. Didn't even have a little bit of something sweet for dessert. So I've got my breakfast now. I've actually got a different top on because I just cleaned the bathroom and just put my pyjama top back on. Opted to have the cinnamon and brown sugar oats and then just some strawberries on the side because I didn't think they'd really like go together in the actual bowl. Also definitely should have added more milk to the porridge, but hey ho, it's like ready to eat now. Anyway, so going to enjoy this. Got a hot coffee now finally. Just currently using this Nescafe like espresso coffee. It is probably our favourite coffee. I'm just going to enjoy breakfast, and yeah, lunch is going to be a surprise because I don't actually know what I'm having. So once again I am back home. I just feel like it's awkward to film whilst I'm at uni, but you would have seen for my lunch I had that like roasted vegetable quinoa salad pot with chicken and a lemon dressing, and again I also had a wagon wheel which I forgot to film, but it was a nice little lunch dessert. Back home, just kind of a, I don't know, glass of squash or something. And then for dinner tonight we're actually doing Nando's chicken and making some sweet potato wedges and having corn on the cob, although I probably like cut it off the cob so it would just look like corn. But yeah, I thought that would be quite a nice little treat for a Thursday evening. So you will see that dinner is now ready. I've got some chicken marinated in that Nando's sauce you would have seen, some sweet potato wedges and some corn on the cob that has been decobbed. Tim also made like a little peri mayonnaise just with some of the marinade and mayo. So I'm going to enjoy this. Haven't had Nando's, I don't think, like the whole time we've been in Australia, so very much looking forward to this, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy. So dinner is done. I'm absolutely stuffed, but I feel like it's pretty good actually, like 2 of my 5 a day. The chicken was really tender. Tim's Peronaise that he made was delish, and yeah, just feeling absolutely stuffed now. I mean, I say that I probably will have some sort of dessert in a bit. It's only 7 o'clock, so yeah, there's always a little room in the dessert stomach for something else, but I'll see how I feel after I've like tidied up from dinner and sat down for a bit. But yeah, overall thoroughly impressed. Wedges were good, corn was delish, chicken tender, Nando's sauce, amazing. So the dessert stomach is ready for dessert. Just having this Dairy Milk Black Forest. I feel like maybe I featured this already earlier on in the week, but this is like the bar we've got open at the moment. It's got milk chocolate, obviously, duh, with cherry flavoured jellies and biscuit pieces. It's the first time I've tried this one actually. It's pretty decent, I rate it highly. So I'm going to enjoy this, watch a bit of TV, and then see you bright and early tomorrow, Friday morning, for breakfast. So it is Friday morning, meaning it's breakfast time again. I'm just having the Uncle Toby's Iron Plus Nutty Cashew cereal for breakfast. I'm actually leaving for work in like 10 minutes. I'm doing a really long shift today. I'm doing like 9 hours. So I'm just taking a couple of snacks to have on my lunch break, because Tim's actually going to meet me when I finish work, and we're going to get Macca's for a Friday treat. So I'm taking, first of all, this Tim Tam mocha sachet with me, because I can obviously just make it with hot water at work. I'm taking this yogurt and strawberry flavoured muesli bar. I think this is from Aldi. And then I'm also just taking some strawberries and blueberries in this little Tupperware. Just so I thought these little snacks would tide me over. I don't want to have like a proper lunch and then not be hungry. I finish at 5 and I'm going to get like dinner straight away pretty much then. So yeah, just thought these little snacks would tide me over. And worst case scenario, I don't know, I'll just be super hungry and excited for Macca's later. So yeah, I'll probably see you then, because I'm going to be at work, so I can't really like film anything. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my cereal, see you at dinner. So it is actually the next morning, and I realised I didn't actually finish off this what I eat in a week video. So you would have seen we went to McDonald's yesterday for our dinner. I also went there on my lunch break, but I just had a flat white, which you also would have seen a clip of as well. I was like saving myself for after work. I went for the classic Angus with fries, a Coke no sugar, and we shared some chicken nuggets and had a little selection of sauces. We had sweet and sour, aioli, barbecue and truffle mayo, which is one of the like limited edition ones at the moment. And then came home and that was it. So I really hope that you enjoyed just seeing what I ate this week. It was probably quite a busy work and uni week, so not an awful lot of like prep, but hopefully like a little bit of variety and just, yeah, realistic. Let me know if you like this sort of video. You want to see me like cooking or trying any other particular foods or cuisines, and let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Hope that you did enjoy. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you again in my next video.